What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have another update on Bonk. And guys, it has pumped up 20% in the last 24 hours, and yes, a lot of people seem to think that it is back up, it is gonna start pumping again like it did previously, but over the week it is still down 17%, guys. So it hasn't recovered fully, it is slowly starting to recover. So where is it heading to next? Is it going to keep pumping, potentially hitting a new all-time high in early 2024, or is it going to keep crashing over the next couple of weeks and so on? That's what we're going to be going through, looking at its predictions. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I am going to be using to do some technical analysis later on in the video. But for now, let's hide this and bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can still see that Bonk is still trading at a lower value than the purple line here, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Bonk. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours from Bonk. So essentially by midnight to early hours of tomorrow, do expect Bonk to have taken a slight dip in value, trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, is what I'm expecting. Again, even though yes, it has been gaining value over the last couple of hours here, it has taken red candles in between, taken dips in between. So again, yes, it is likely to pump up a little bit higher over the next couple of hours, hitting green candles, but overall it is going to start dropping down in value, trading at a lower price than where it is at the moment. Over the next 12 to 14 hours is what my expectations are at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, we've got the blue line looking slightly bearish and the orange line looking slightly bullish. So two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Bonk? Guys, an overall fluctuation in value is what should take place according to the graph over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by the end of next week, meaning we will be in 2024. But that's not what I'm expecting. I'm expecting an overall drop in value from Bonk from where it is at the moment to next week. It should take an overall dip down, is it what expectations are. And again, yes, it is likely to hit green candles in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So hitting more red days over the next 7 to 8 days is where I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at, and trading at a much lower value. As I've said previously, my expectations have not changed at the moment, so I'm expecting more drops in value. Yes, it is pumping right now, but that is temporary, guys, because if we move on to the daily chart, zooming in here, we can see even though yes, it has been dropping in value over the last 10 days, there have been days where it's hit green candles in between, and the next days hit red candles, and overall it has been moving towards the negative direction. And in my opinion, this is just another one of the green days compared to the last 10 days, but more red days are to follow. So looking at the daily chart, we still got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So again, an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So essentially in February, March next year, Bonk should be trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment. Again, I've seen a lot of people commenting saying it's going to break out in 2024. I don't know what I'm talking about. You know, I'm new to crypto, so on and so on. Guys, I've seen a lot of these projects in the past, and at the moment it does look like a pump and dump, but I'm not saying it is. It's just by the graph, that's what it looks like. However, if you guys think otherwise, comment down below, because I will make sure to keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto, just to keep you guys in the loop on what's happening, what's going on, and so on. And of course, if my predictions do change, if I come across any news or updates that are available out there, I will of course bring that to you guys and let you guys know, you know what, do expect a pump or do expect a crash or anything like that. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. We do have Bonk resisted from the dark green zone here, which I did let you guys know yesterday. It is likely to resist and peak back up in value before over the next couple of days it should basically pop down below this line here, dropping down into the green zone. By the end of next week is where I'm expecting it to be trading at, in the green zone here, and potentially in let's say in mid to late January, early February, it should have dropped back down into the red zone, is what my expectations are at the moment. But again, if there are any changes to that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. But as previously mentioned, it broke out from the red zone and ended up in the top tier level here in the space of about a week, which is far too quick, and it's gained so much percentage increase in like 5-6 to 1,000% increase, guys, which is absolutely crazy. So the crypto was way overvalued and there was too much hype around it. So yeah, it is going for a price correction right now, which is likely to carry on until it drops back down into the red zone. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see a trading volume has gone up over 100% in the last 24 hours, making it $492 million in trading. Reason for that is because it has pumped up quite a bit over the last 24 hours. So a lot more people are trading the crypto right now, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and a lot more people are engaging with Bonk right now, as it is one of the top gainers according to Binance as well. As you guys can see, it is the 4th top gainer in the last 24 hours. But yeah, this is my take on Bonk, guys. Comment down below how many of you guys are expecting it to break out in 2024. Comment down below breakout Bonk 2024 to see. I just want to see how many of you guys are expecting that. And for those of you guys who are expecting it to crash down like me, comment that down below as well, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.